In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to teams and create a management hierarchy in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your HubSpot settings to assign users to the right teams and how to set up who manages whom so your reporting and permissions work correctly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top toolbar and find the small gear icon. This gear takes you into the settings area, which is where all user and team configuration lives. Go ahead and click that gear icon. Inside the settings menu, look for the section called Account Management. Under that, select Users and Teams. This page lists everyone who has access to your HubSpot account. Find the user you want to add to a team. You can scroll, use the search bar, or filter if you have a lot of users. Once you've found the right person, click on their name to open that user's profile. Within the user's profile, switch to the Setup tab. This tab controls how the user is configured inside HubSpot. On the left-hand side, you'll see different options. Click on the one labeled Teams. Here is where you assign this person to their main team and any additional teams if needed. In the Teams section, click the drop-down for Main Team. From the list, choose the team you want this user to belong to. This main team is usually their primary department or region. If your organization uses multiple teams, you can also add this user to an additional team so they appear in more than one place. When you're happy with the selections, scroll down and click Save at the bottom to apply your changes. Next, you'll set up the management hierarchy. Still within the User Setup tab, look again at the left panel and this time click on Management Hierarchy. This defines who manages this user and who reports to them. In the Management Hierarchy section, find the drop-down labeled Manager. Click it and select the appropriate manager from the list of existing users. This ensures HubSpot understands the reporting line for dashboards, approvals, or any team-based permissions. Below that, you'll also see an option to add direct reports. Use this if other users should report to this person. Select any relevant users so the hierarchy accurately reflects your organization. Again, when you're done, click Save at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to a team and set up their place in the management hierarchy in HubSpot.